Hey guys, my name is Christy. Super excited about this. So today we're going to be testing out this Japanese hair mask that was recently sent to me. So to use this, you are going to make sure your hair is clean, and then you're going to section your hair off into 6 different sections, apply the mask, and let it sit for 30 to 40 minutes. And then after that, you're going to rinse it out and then blow dry your hair again. I also like that right on the box, they show you what type of hair types this mask works for. So I do appreciate the ingredients in here. It has collagen, beeswax, and seaweed. I have not opened this yet, so whatever you see, I'm seeing. Top. Okay, so it smells good. This is what it looks like. So let's section off my hair. So this is the consistency of it. Just gonna work it through my hair. Okay, so I have been working this through my hair, and now I'm going to let this sit for about 30 minutes, and then I'm gonna go rinse this out and blow dry a section of my hair to test it out. All right, so it's been about 40 minutes. I just rinsed it out of my hair, and I just wanted to make a note that the second the water hit my hair and started to rinse the mask out of my hair felt incredibly soft and silky. It's so smooth right now, and it feels really good. So I'm actually gonna blow dry the front section over here so we can see what it looks like. All right, guys, so I am all done with my treatment, and all I have to say is look at my hair. It is so ridiculously shiny. It is so smooth. There is no frizz, and it's super duper soft as well. I am definitely a firm believer of this mask. I'm going to continue to use it, and I would 100% recommend it. So thank you so much for watching this review today. I hope it's helped you.